There's a behavioral conditioning that happens when the alarm goes off and, you're supposed to get out of bed. When you hit the snooze button, it ruins that behavioral conditioning between the stimulus, which is your response, which is your alarm, sorry, and your response, which is getting your butt out of bed. So that's number one. So you're ruining that stimulus response thing, which is big. You want that. That's something that can work for you in a really good way. When you hit the snooze, and here's the biggie, and you start to fall back asleep. So your body is gearing up for another full cycle of sleep. That's what's happening. So when that second alarm, it jerks you awake during the beginning of your next sleep cycle. And that incomplete cycle leaves you with something called sleep inertia grogginess. And that lasts for hours after you get up. So it makes you feel more tired for longer than you would have been if you had just gotten your ass out of bed. I know. It doesn't seem right. I'm sorry to break this to you. I used to be a snoozer. I hit the snooze button all the time for many years. But as soon as I heard the science, and it really does work, this is one of those things clients come back over and over and go, oh my gosh, right away I felt better. Right away you'll feel better. Get out of bed. That sleep inertia grogginess, it creates lapses in your thinking and your planning and your judgment, and it diminishes your emotional regulation. So you're not as efficient with your time management. You don't prioritize as well. I know. You don't, even if you got a decent night's sleep, but if you hit the snooze in the morning, you will not get all the benefits that you would have gotten from getting the decent night's sleep. Your emotional regulation is off, which means that you're probably overreacting to things or underreacting to things. You're going to be slower on the pickup, or you're going to be too emotional on the pickup. It's bad. It's bad. And lastly, and to me this is really the most important, this is your friggin' first commitment of the day, and you're not keeping it. So your word means nothing to you. And that's going to translate into other areas of your life. Oh, I promised to eat healthy today? I don't need to keep to that. I don't keep promises to myself. I don't trust what I say. My word is crap. No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't want you thinking this way anymore. I know, yeah, it's getting in there and it's not cool. You know it because you don't feel good when you snooze over and over. You feel like icky about yourself. You're not keeping that commitment. So keep your commitment. And a little pro tip for getting up is to use a real alarm clock instead of your phone. And put that alarm clock away from your bed.